Have you ever scrolled through Instagram and stumbled upon one of those sleek online stores selling everything from unique phone cases to comfy ergonomic chairs? You admire their taste, maybe even add a few things to your wish list. But a nagging question lingers in the back of your mind. Just how do these stores manage to offer such a wide variety of products? Well, the answer might surprise you. It's not a giant warehouse bursting with inventory. In fact, it could be someone running their entire business from their laptop in their pajamas. The secret weapon: dropshipping. Now, dropshipping might sound complicated, but it's actually a pretty ingenious way to start your own online business. But with so many dropshipping options out there, where do you even begin? That's where AliDropship comes in. AliDropship, your all-in-one dropshipping toolkit. AliDropship is a platform specifically designed to help you launch and manage a successful dropshipping store using products from AliExpress, a massive online marketplace filled with suppliers from all over the world. Here's the basic idea. You find trendy, in-demand products on AliExpress, list them on your own online store with a markup, and when a customer makes a purchase, you don't actually hold any inventory. Instead, you forward the order to your AliExpress supplier, who then ships it directly to your customer. You essentially act as the middleman, taking care of marketing and customer service while the supplier handles the fulfillment. Sounds pretty neat, right? But with any business venture, there are steps involved. So, buckle up as we walk you through the exciting journey of starting your dropshipping adventure with AliDropship. Step number 1. Find your niche, the Goldilocks of products. The first step is crucial: choosing your niche. This is essentially your area of expertise, the category of products your store will focus on. Here's the key. You want to find the niche that's just right, not too broad, not too narrow. Imagine a vast ocean of potential products. On one extreme, selling everything is like trying to navigate the entire ocean in a tiny dinghy. You'll be lost in a sea of competition and struggle to stand out. On the other hand, focusing on a single, hyper-specific product like left-handed, avocado-shaped stress balls might sound interesting, but the market will likely be too small to sustain a business. The sweet spot lies in finding a niche that's targeted but has enough room for you to carve out your space. Think about your interests, passions, or even skills. Do you love fashion accessories? Maybe home improvement gadgets are your thing? Perhaps you have a knack for spotting trending tech products. AliDropship offers a handy tool called AliDropship Insights, which helps you research hot-selling products and identify profitable niches. It analyzes data like sales volume, customer reviews, and even product pricing trends on AliExpress, giving you valuable insights to make informed decisions. Step number 2. Building your online store. AliDropship makes it easy. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to build your online storefront. Here's where AliDropship truly shines. They offer a couple of options to get your store up and running quickly and easily. Option number 1. The free turnkey store. For those just starting out, AliDropship offers a free trial of their turnkey store solution. This means they provide you with a pre-built, customizable online store stocked with products specifically chosen for your chosen niche. It's a fantastic way to test the waters of dropshipping without a huge upfront investment. Option number 2. Build from scratch with the AliDropship plugin. If you're comfortable with a bit more customization, AliDropship offers a plugin that works seamlessly with WordPress, a popular content management system used for building websites. This plugin streamlines the process of adding products from AliExpress to your store, managing inventory, or rather, the lack thereof, and automating many tasks. Step number 3. Finding the winning products. Not all shine is gold. With your store set up, it's time to curate your product selection. Remember, not everything on AliExpress is a gold mine. You want to choose products that are high in demand. Look for products with a proven track record of sales and positive reviews. Profitable. Factor in shipping costs, your markup, and competitor pricing to ensure you make a decent profit on each sale. High quality. Prioritize products with good ratings and avoid anything that screams cheap and flimsy. Your reputation hinges on customer satisfaction. AliDropship Insights, again, comes to the rescue here.